Hey there, dog lovers! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're tackling a common struggle for pet owners, keeping our vehicles clean and pet hair free. And guess what? We found the ultimate solution: Ruff Liners XL Pet Seat Covers. Let me tell you why Ruff Liners takes the crown as the best seat cover for dog hair on the market. First off, its smart design is tailored specifically for full-size trucks with fold-up rear seats. Whether you've got a Ford F-150 or a Chevy Silverado, this cover seamlessly fits in, offering full protection for your vehicle's interior. Installation is a breeze, no complicated setups here. Just clip, strap, and you're good to go. Plus, with its universal fit, you can rest assured it'll snugly wrap your seats, keeping them shielded from muddy paws, spills, and of course, pesky pet hair. Now, let's talk durability. Ruff Liners doesn't mess around. Crafted with premium materials, including reinforced zippers, straps, and clips, this cover is built to last. And check this out, it even comes with a hard bottom cover, ensuring stability for your furry co-pilot, no matter the adventure. But wait, there's more. What sets Ruff Liners apart is its versatility. Need to flip up your rear seats for passengers? No problem. Thanks to its unique strap design, you can fold down one side or both without removing the cover. And those zippers in the center console mesh area? Pure genius for optional access. So, if you're tired of battling pet hair and mess in your truck, look no further than Ruff Liners XL Pet Seat Covers. It's practical, it's durable, and most importantly, it's the ultimate companion for your furry friends on every road trip. Don't just take my word for it. Give it a try and thank me later. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that make life a little easier. Until next time, happy trails.